Hello children, I hope you all are keeping well and studying hard. Today, we'll quickly go through the parts of a speech and revise the topic. Till now, we have learned that those groups of words which make complete sense are called sentences. But different words in a sentence perform a different type of work. Words are therefore divided into different classes or kinds according to the use or work they do in a sentence. And these different classes of words are called parts of speech. So according to this, there are 8 such classes. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Firstly, we come to the noun. A noun is a word which names a person, place, animal, action, quality, feeling, or anything that we can think of. And the word thing includes all the things that we can perceive by the senses. That is, we can see, hear, touch, taste, and smell. And also all the things that we can think of like beauty, bravery, honesty, truth, sleep, death, etc. For example, as you could see it on your screen, the dog rolled in the grass. So over here, dog and grass both are nouns. We are talking about the animal, dog, right? And similarly, in the next sentence, she went to Bangalore. So Bangalore is what? It is indicating the place. So these are nouns. Then we move to pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. The most important question comes that why do we use pronouns instead of nouns? For example, if I say, cricket is a good game and Mohan likes cricket. Is it appealing better? No, of course not. And it is repeating. So the repetition when you heard, it was irritating. It was awkward to hear. But if I say, cricket is a good game and Mohan likes it. So over here, instead of the noun cricket, I have used the pronoun it to indicate the noun itself, right? So now it not only appeals better, but it is easier and nicer to use than to repeat the noun every time. So therefore, a pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun or in place of a noun. It avoids repetition of the noun. The third part of speech is the adjective. Now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun by describing or pointing out the person, animal, place, or thing by telling the number or quantity or by asking questions about it, right? So, if I say, she gave me a sweet smile, over here, sweet is used to describe the smile of the girl. The big garden is full of beautiful flowers. Again, the word big is an adjective because over here it is used to describe about the noun garden. Similarly, beautiful has been used to qualify the noun or add something, add meaningful or something to the meaning of the noun flowers. The next part of speech is verb. A verb is a word that is used to say something about some person, place, or thing. Or we can even say that a verb is a word which says what a person or a thing is, has, or does, or what happens or is done to a person or a thing. It is the most important word in a sentence, and every sentence has a verb, right? So it tells us that, of course, what a person or a thing is. Like, for example, Kolkata is a big city. So it is telling that, of course, it is stating that Kolkata is a big city. It is saying what Kolkata is. It is a big city. Similarly, my father works in an office. So over here, it tells us that, of course, my father works in an office. Works is the verb over here, as it is telling what a person is doing. What is the father doing? He is working in an office. The next part of a speech which comes after the verb is adverb. Adverb is the word that modifies, or you can say that adds to the meaning of a verb or an adjective or another adverb. Alright, like for example, he came quickly, she spoke softly. So the word quickly and softly modifies, or rather you can say adds to the meaning of the verb came and spoke. So such words are known as adverbs. Next important part of a speech is preposition. From the word itself, we can understand its meaning. Pre plus position. Pre means before and position means placed. So preposition means placed before or positioned before. And so what is a preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show some relation between the noun or pronoun to some other word. For example, he sat on a chair kept under the tree. So over here, the preposition on is showing the relation between the pronoun he and the noun chair. Similarly, the preposition under is showing the relation between the noun chair and the noun the tree. In the next sentence, the spoon is in the cup. So over here, in is the preposition which is showing the relation between the noun the spoon and the other noun the cup. The noun or pronoun that is used with the preposition is called its object, and it is said to be governed by the preposition. Let's read these two examples again to understand this. He sat on a chair kept under the tree. So over here, the preposition on has the object a chair. So the noun a chair is actually the object of the preposition on. Similarly, under the tree is the object of the preposition under. Similarly, in the next sentence, in the cup is the object of the preposition in. Alright, now moving on to the next important part of speech, that is conjunction. Children, conjunction is a word or phrase which joins together words or sentences or parts of sentences. Alright, for example, if I say Ram and Shyam went to school but Ashok remained at home. So this sentence is, more easy to hear and understand. But if I say Ram went to school, Shyam went to school, Ashok remained at home, is not the sentence appealing awkward? Yes, of course it is. So to make it simple and short, conjunctions are used so as to avoid repetition as well as to join the sentences. So it is more simple when you read out, Ram and Sham went to school but Ashok remained at home. Similarly, it goes or it applies to the second example, the old man and his wife came to see me. So over here, and is the conjunction which is used to join together the words or the group of words, the old man and his wife. Last but not the least, interjection. An interjection is a word or group of words that expresses some sudden feeling or emotion of the mind, and they are always placed before a sentence begins, and it is a convention that the mark of exclamation follows an interjection. So words like what, bravo, oh, alas and hurrah, all these words expresses some or the other feelings or emotions. So example, as you can see it on the screen, what, is this true? Over here it is expressing wonder. Bravo, keep it up. So the words what and bravo are interjection words. Here are some more examples and the gist of the entire topic that I've put it together. You can go through it and understand the flow chart. So children, I would now conclude today's session. Go through the video, revise the topic and learn how different parts of a speech are used in a sentence. Keep practicing, keep revising. Thank you children. Bye-bye.